Cheryl Jones is a senior systems engineer at the U.S. Army Futures Command at Picatinny Arsenal, New Jersey, where she works in the areas of performance and decision analysis. She has contributed to international standards in systems and software engineering for more than 25 years. With IEEE, she has been a reviewer, project editor, project chair and coordinator, and standards working group chair. She is the DoD representative to the U.S. Technical Advisory Group to the International Standards Organization SC7, Software and Systems Engineering, and has served in many leadership roles. As a DoD lead for SC7, she coordinates with many other organizations to support consensus. She substantially facilitated harmonization of IEEE 15288.1 and 15288.2 to reflect defense organization requirements in partner countries.
I think I like working with a diverse set of people, which is what standards is about. There's always, things you just don't think of when you're, focused on doing things the way you've been doing it, or even, when you're trying to do something new. Having those different perspectives and having a wide range of different perspectives really makes things better, I think, in the long run. If I had to pick one word that led to my success, I think it would be collaboration with a very diverse set of people. Has helped to get me where I am today, and a lot of hard work, because this is a lot of hard work too. It's a lot easier just to come up with something on your own and go put it in place. It takes time and energy and a lot of discussion to reach a point where you have good collaboration and can share and can learn and can be open about sharing and improving things.
For key standards development in measurement and systems engineering, broad outreach, and diplomatic leadership, we present the 2023 Hans Karlsson Standards Award to Cheryl Jones.